Equipment yourself to clean. The purpose of this procedure is to give guidance on right way of preparation of work before commencing the task as per standard. Safety topic. Don't stretch too much while mopping, avoid muscle catch. Objective: what you're going to learn. What is preparation of work? Preparation of equipments. Preparation of caddy kits. Preparation of chemicals. Preparation of PPE. Preparation dusters. Preparation of associated documents. Precautions. Detailed procedure understanding. Preparation of work. Preparation of work is preparing ourselves with required tools and all other items which are needed for that particular task. E.g., keeping the following: preparation of equipments, preparation of caddy kits, preparation of chemicals, preparation of PPE, preparation of associated documents, precautions, detailed procedure, preparation of chemicals. Wash and dry hands and put on PPE. Goggles are mandatory. Correctly display the warning signs in the area, ensuring all signs are visible. Assemble the equipment and check for safety. Prepare the cleaning solution in a well-ventilated area. Dilute the chemical according to the mentioned information has given in MSDS. Use proper PPE before starting with dilution. For accurate dilution, use labeled measured bucket, a mug, or use automatic diluter available for heavy dilution for industry purpose. Use always fresh and if possible non-hard water for better results. Diluted chemicals needs to be kept in labeled spray cans. Safety at dilution station is highly recommended. Keep a first aid box ready nearby area for easy access in case of emergency. Always follow manufacturer's MSDS for first aid and further treatment. Preparation of work, preparation of equipments. 1. Wash and dry hands and put on PPE. 2. Correctly display the warning signs in the area, ensuring all signs are visible. 3. Assemble the equipment and check for safety. 4. Start with dusting of HK equipments, ensure that machine is unplugged and placed at even surface. 5. If needed, clean with a damp duster with Tasky R2 solution and wipe it with a dry duster. 6. Check the wires and cables for any cut or loose wiring. If found, report to your supervisor. 7. Check the plug, accessories. 8. Refer user manual for upkeeping and maintenance. 9. Follow strictly with AMC check dates and next due dates for routine maintenance. Detailed procedure, preparation of caddy kits. Washroom caddy. Red color coded spray bottle with required chemicals. Red check duster. WC brush. Red scrubbing pad. Sponge. White glass cleaning duster. PPE with red hand gloves. Other required items. Green color coded spray bottle with required chemicals. Cafeteria and pantry caddy. Green check duster. Dustpan with brush for cleaning table. Green scrubbing pad. Sponge. White glass cleaning duster. PPE with green hand gloves. Other required items. Office area and public area caddy. Blue color coded spray bottle with required chemicals. Blue check duster. Carpet brush. Blue scrubbing pad. Sponge. White glass cleaning duster. PPE with blue hand gloves. Other required items. Detailed procedure, preparation of PPE. 1. Hard cap for high-end cleaning. 2. Nose mask for nose protection. 3. Hand gloves for hand protection. 4. Safety shoe for feet. Protection. 5. Glasses for eye. Protection. Detailed procedure preparation of dusters. Always retain dusters in their respective areas according to the color code and area-wise. Always use clean and dry duster. Duster must be odor-free and stain-free. By book fold method duster must be used for long usage. Detailed procedure preparation of documents. AMC schedule and due checks for HK equipments. TASCII R2 MSDS. TASCII R2 COSHH. User manual, all equipments. Health and safety management system, and completed risk assessments. Precautions. Don't plug a bunch of stuff into one outlet or extension cord. Make sure all electric cords are tucked away, neat and tidy. Don't yank an electrical cord from machines. Check all the loose ends and cut wires before using machines. Always use the clean dusters. Use the duster in book fold for long use. Wear color-coded gloves according to the area to avoid contamination. Never roll on cables on shoulder, roll it on machine. Check all the item before starting the work. Keep all the items near the work area.
We will keep bringing such videos for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.